These AI-generated tiny worker reels are getting tens of million views, and I'm about to show you exactly how to create them step by step. What I found interesting is that you don't need complicated prompts or complex workflows to make these go viral. The most viral tiny worker reels actually come from creators using simple, basic prompts. They just figured out the one psychological trigger that makes people watch these videos on repeat. I've reverse-engineered over 500 viral tiny worker reels and discovered the exact prompt patterns that work. Some creators are getting 50 million views even using free AI tools and the simple formula I'm about to share. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete workflow and know which AI tools actually work for this trend. In this video, I'll show you the free and paid AI tools I use, and I'll reveal the posting strategy that Instagram algorithm currently favors to maximize reach. Everything can be done from your computer or phone. Here's step number 1, and this is where most people get confused or they just mess up. They think they need to write these super technical, detailed prompts with all these specific parameters. But watch what I do instead. Look how simple this is. I want to make a compilation video of a veggie being harvested by miniature tiny workers from the field itself. I want to compile 6 such scenes. It should be fun and satisfying to watch. Simply describe the scene and write Leonardo.AI prompts for same. Notice 3 things here. First, I'm writing in plain English like I'm talking to a friend. No fancy technical terms. Second, I'm being specific about what I want, 6 scenes, harvesting theme, fun and satisfying. And third one, the secret sauce. I specifically ask for Leonardo.AI prompts even though I might use any other tool for generating images. This works because when you specifically ask ChatGPT to write Leonardo prompts, you get simpler, natural language prompts that actually work instead of overly complex descriptions that may confuse a text-to-image AI. The key here is that I've done hundreds of tests, and this approach consistently gives me the best results. Simple language beats complex prompts every single time, at least when it comes to tiny worker content. With your prompts ready, it's time to create the actual images. I'm starting with Midjourney. All you do, visit Midjourney website and paste your prompt here, just like this. If you want higher quality, add --Q4 or Q2 at the end of your prompt. Most of the time, Q2 will give you sharp, detailed images without slowing things down too much. Here are my recommended settings for viral reels. Aspect ratio, set to portrait, 9:16, this is perfect for Instagram reels and TikTok. Mode, standard, version 7, just check that you're on V7. Stylization, set exactly to 300 for a polished but natural look. Both extra parameters, set these to 0, you don't need them for this style. That's it, and you're ready to hit generate. You can repeat this exact same process for all your scene prompts until you have a set of the best images for your reel. The process is super fast, and you'll usually get what you need in just a couple of tries. You can heart the images you like the most so it's easier to find them later. Now that you've mastered Midjourney, let's explore several free alternatives that deliver great results, each with its own perks and quirks. First, let's try Leonardo.AI. Just open the site and select the model called Phoenix 1.0. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for reels. Don't fiddle with anything else, just copy-paste your prompt and hit generate. You'll get some solid images, clear and colorful, perfect for our tiny worker reels. If you want, you can also try the Flow State button on Leonardo. Paste your prompt, set 9:16, and generate. Sometimes the results are amazing, sometimes they're not spot on, it depends on the scene. But it's worth a shot for those goldmine images. Next up, Ideogram. They give you free weekly credits, which lets you generate about 4 to 5 images every week. For the right type of scene, Ideogram often produces very realistic, share-worthy images. It's a great option for when you really want a natural look. Third on the list, Recraft.AI. Here, you get 50 free credits every day. That's more than enough to make 20 to 25 images daily. Just add a new frame, set the ratio to 9:16, paste your prompt, and hit generate. Recraft can give you fresh, unique visuals, definitely worth making it part of your daily workflow. You can also generate scene images right in ChatGPT. Just say something like, generate a portrait mode image of your scene, ... But here's the catch, it doesn't output 9:16 ratio. So here's a workaround, go to Canva, create a 9:16 design, and paste that image in. Click Edit, then use Magic Expand. Make it full page and hit Expand. Now you've got a perfectly sized visual for your reel, ready to animate. As you can see, you've got a ton of free ways to get amazing tiny worker images, so you don't necessarily need to pay for a monthly subscription to get started. Now, you're all set with stills from multiple free tools. Next, I'll show you how to turn these visuals into animated videos. First up is Kling AI. It gives you about 160 free credits every month, which is a great place to start. First, click the Video option on the left. Now, upload one of the tiny worker images you just created. Once your image is uploaded, you have two choices. You can write your own simple prompt, like, "Tiny workers are working," or you can do what I prefer, click the Have DeepSeek generate the prompt button. In a few seconds, it will create a detailed prompt for you automatically. You can use it as is or tweak it a little. Once you're happy, just hit Generate, and that's it. Kling AI will create a smooth, high-quality animation from your image. The free credits are usually enough to get you started, and they have subscription options if you need more. Next, we have PixVerse AI. This is a fantastic option because their free plan lets you create one video every single day, and the results are really good. The process is exactly what you'd expect. Upload your image, paste in your prompt, and hit Generate. It's a super reliable tool for building a consistent content library. Next is Hailuo AI. This one is great for testing the waters. When you sign up, they give you enough free credits to generate about 8 videos within your first 3 days. The process is similar, and the results are also quite good. Now for the tool you've been waiting for. This next one is completely free for unlimited generations. Yes, you heard that right, unlimited. It's called Vheer AI. The trade-off for it being free is that you might have to play around with your prompts a bit more to get the exact result you want. The quality is good, but sometimes not as polished as Kling. However, if a video comes out a little blurry, you can easily run it through a free video upscaler tool to sharpen it up. For zero cost, this is an incredible resource. And there you have it. You've gone from a simple idea to a folder full of animated tiny worker scenes. In the final step, I'll show you how to put these all together, add the perfect viral audio, and post it for maximum reach. Now that you've got your animated tiny worker clips, let's bring them together. I'm using CapCut in this demo, but you can use any video editing software you prefer. VN, DaVinci, even mobile editors all work. Import all your clips into the project. Just drag them onto the timeline, arrange them in your desired order, and trim any parts you don't want. It's that simple. Some of the AI tools we used, like Kling or PixVerse, may automatically generate perfect background sounds or effects for your clips. For extra sound effects, I recommend using the YouTube audio library or other royalty-free sound effect websites. Just check their terms of use to make sure your project is covered. Alright, we've created our masterpiece. Now for the most important part, posting it on Instagram for maximum reach. And honestly, my advice is to not overthink it. Let me explain. If your content is good and you post consistently, I promise you, the Instagram algorithm will find an audience for you. It will automatically start showing your reels to more people. But there are a few simple rules I follow that go against everything you've probably heard. Rule number 1, do not use hashtags. I know it sounds crazy, but don't use any hashtags until your reels are consistently getting at least 1,000 views. When you're starting out, your only job is to let the algorithm figure out who your content is for based on the video itself and the caption. The only thing you need to obsess about is writing a good caption filled with relevant keywords. And you don't even have to write it yourself. Just go to ChatGPT and type in a simple prompt like this. Write an Instagram caption for my reel on tiny workers harvesting veggies. Make sure to include important keywords and key phrases so my content is suggested to people watching or searching for similar content. Then, just copy the result and paste it directly into your Instagram caption. No hashtags. That's it. The keywords in the caption are all Instagram needs to start testing your content with the right audience. And finally, you do not even need to use trending music. Your custom sound effects and the satisfying sounds from your video are more than enough. Only start thinking about trending audio after you're posting consistently and have started to get some real traction. Before that, it's just a distraction. And that is the complete, step-by-step system for creating viral tiny worker reels. We started with a simple prompt, generated stunning images using a mix of free and paid tools, brought them to life with AI animation, and finished with a posting strategy that focuses on what truly matters, quality and consistency. So stop worrying about hashtags and trends. Focus on making fun, satisfying content, and the views will follow. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Smart AI for more guides just like this. Now go create something amazing.